So let's talk about shapes. Now, why am I talking about shapes? I want to bring up a metaphor that allows us to talk about representations of reality. And there's no term that's going to work, so let's just start with shapes. The reason I like shapes is it's a simple bridge metaphor. We can talk about the need for things. So let's sort of get into it. So, what is the essence of everything? You could say, like, it's energy, it's a quark, it's an atom, whatever it is. The question I have, and that doesn't even matter what it is. So there's the essence of matter, and then there's the rules, if you will, that represent how matter interacts. And so the question then becomes, if everything in the universe is made of something, let's say it's energy, well, are rules a thing? And if rules are a thing, are rules made up of energy? And that's sort of where the idea of shapes came from. For me, I was trying to understand, you know, what's the essence of representation, and it got down to it's a thing. Doesn't matter what the thing is; it's a shape. Okay, great. But what about the rules of interaction? Well, the thing is, there's not so much rules of interaction. So what does that mean? The laws of physics are observations of how things interact, and they are meant to describe expected results. So they are a model of how things work. The important thing there is model. They're not reality. They're not the thing. They are a representation of the thing. And so just because we say a thing behaves this way does not actually mean it behaves that way. Given the observations and given the particular context, things behave in a certain way. As an example, water is weird in that typically things get more dense when they freeze, but water does not, and so water floats.